What is up, guys? I am Redemption Gabe, and in today's video it has came to my attention that I want to update my setup. If you're all wondering over here, look at this humongous mess that's come up over there.
Okay, I first start by cleaning up my desk, but look at the setup so far. It looks pretty ugly as it is. Nobody wants to see a setup like that. So let's get the work done. I take out my laptop at first, start by taking out all the peripherals that I need as possible and laying them on the dining room table. This is all done at 800 speed to make this process look quicker. And plus, because my mom was in the background talking, I didn't want to include anything in the background that I didn't intend to record. And sorry, I don't know why I intend to show something I didn't want to intend to show, but unfortunately the tripod doesn't work, so it is how it is. So my face is not sometimes shown, or because I have a faulty tripod, just to let you know. I then start plugging in the RGB light strips after I tested them. I couldn't show the testing part of this video because I had some parts of my medication and nobody wants to see those amber bottles on it. So I had to do something about that and not include it in the video so people wouldn't think I'm doing something with drugs, and then making sure it wouldn't violate YouTube's terms of service about substance abuse, even though it's something that I use for reasonable stuff. Now another thing I do is, on the next scene I start by taking apart, not taking apart, but I start plugging in all my peripherals in, making sure everything is in that motion. I'm recording as quick as possible, and this is a very long setup video. If this wasn't in fast forward, and that's what I'm talking about, I'd start connecting my HDMI cord to DVI ports. That's what this monitor doesn't really support HDMI. It's a very cheap monitor back in the days. You could pick one up very dirt cheap, and in fact, I got this for free at my friend's house. Now back, I start verifying all my peripherals are all connected, and there you go, guys. And this is pretty much the finished setup. Alright, so this is the setup from before, and here's it after. As you can see, it looks much cleaner than it is before. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you give it a like, thumbs up, rate, and subscribe.